This section examines the throwout or release bearing. The clutch release bearing can be a thrust-type angular contact ball bearing supported on a carrier. It slides on a hub or sleeve extending from the front of the transmission. The bearing carrier locates on the clutch release fork. Moving the fork brings the bearing thrust face into contact with the pressure plate fingers. This causes the bearing to rotate and absorb the rotary motion of the fingers against the linear motion of the fork. The bearing is packed with lubricant during manufacture and requires no periodic maintenance during its service life.